Means of vocabulary words in helpful for your line graph. First word is to rise means increased. To climb, a climb. To grow, a growth. Past tense, to rise, to rose. To increase, increased. Third word is to climb, climbed. Fourth, to grow, grow. To go up, went up. Downward trend. To decrease, a decrease. To drop, a drop. To fall, a fall. To decline, a decline. To go down, past tense verb. It's helpful your band score improve. To decrease, decreased. To drop, dropped. To fall, to fell. To decline, to declined. Fluctuation. To fluctuate, a fluctuations means increase, decrease is fluctuation words. To deep, a deep. To remain steady, to remain stable, to remain unchanged. To level off, to rocket, to soar. Peaks, lower. To peak at, reach a peak of, hit a high of, hit a low of. Bottom out is plateau. Line graph adverbs and adverbs. Steadily, gradually, eventually, slightly, marginally, rapidly, dramatically, significantly, considerably, relatively. Adjectives for line graph. Steady, gradual, slight, marginal, rapid, step, dramatic, considerable, significance. Over the next 3 years, decades, 3 years later, after 3 years, over the following 3 years, from dash to dash, between dash and dash. The last year, the final year, the first year, initially. Over the period, given the period. Okay students, सब तो पहला ਆਪਾਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ introduction. This line graph is typically of IELTS task 1. It shows 3 lines and one of the lines does not have any data for the first few years. See the model answers below to learn how to tackle the task. This show of passes in the question. The graph below shows the consumption of the separates from 1981 2007. Is past tense used. Line graph is tackled. The line graph illustrates the amount of three kinds of separates: migraines, butter, and low fat and reduced separates which were consumed from 1981 2007. Units are matured, its greens. Means of line graph is same no in these words like below, like this below, shows synonyms, consumption, separates. Okay, this means band scores improve. Overall, first is introduction, second overall, third BP1 and fourth BP2. Okay, overall is no given this time period and number. The consumption of migraines and butter decreased over the period given, while for the low fat and reduced separates it rose. At the start of the period, butter was the most popular separates, migraines was the most widely consumed. In the middle of the period, but why the and low fat and reduced separates was most popular. Okay students, your BP1 start with the regards to the amount of butter used and to commence with its vocabulary words. It's began at the around 140 grams and then peaked at 160 grams in 1986. You mention about low. First of all, you write down full low figure start 140 and after increased of 160. Okay. In 1986, before falling dramatically to around 50 grams in the last year, likewise approximately 90 gram of the migrations was eaten in the first year, after which the figure fluctuated slightly and dropped to a low of 40 grams in 2007. Means of fluctuation is 40 grams and 40 fluctuation. These words alike is a low fat and reduced separates. Next, PP on the other hand, on the one hand and on the other hand. The consumption of low fats and reduced separates only started in 1996 around 10 grams. 1996 is only for this 10 grams is no mention this data but approximately reduced in the started with 1996 low reduced separates. This figure which reduced a high of just over 80 grams just is हाई हो गई सी जी 80 ग्राम से वो हो गई सी लो एंड रिड्यूस सेपरेट्स. नेक्स्ट 5 years later fell slightly in the final year to approximately 70 grams in 2007. 70 grams in the increased but a downfall trend, increased and decreased likewise. Butter increased, low and reduced decreased, and decreased. One increased, two decreased. Please write down and screenshot this space. Thank you for everyone this watching video.